DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
This is National Youth Service Corps. They come.
Wait now. No, wait.
You have graduates and
Yes.
people in students.
Yes, sir.
Now this belongs to youth corps members. Some of you are graduates.
Yes,
Some
of
of you are
course.
going to live here to serve. This thing you are looting belongs to them. This is their food. This is their kids. Now you're stealing them. Can they come and serve? No. You are graduates. Before you become a leader in this country, you have to go as NYC. Corps members.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you close this place down, can you become a leader?
No.
People are inside that place stealing. I call it stealing. Now, when you're giving government appointments, what are you going to do? Please, let's look at ourselves first. What have I done myself? Now, what have I done myself? Before you start looting, that belongs to the corps members, your brothers, your sisters, your cousins. You are looting their kids. You are looting their food. Can they serve? Some of you are good and potential corps members. Why do you want to spoil your name, for heaven's sake? Nigeria belongs to all of us.
Yes.
Sir, it's quite bad.
You're right, sir.
It's quite bad. If you at your age of 18, 19, 20, 21, 25, you are looking there. If you are giving commissioner of police, commissioner of education, you are minister, what are you going to do for heaven's sake with the money given to you? Please, let's cooperate with the security personnel. Yes, sir. It belongs to your brothers and sisters.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who throws stones will kill them for you.
DJ ATV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supportive members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DGM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.dgmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lauru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV.